Hey you guys, and happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is April 10th, and they are good up until Saturday, April 16th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so I will have a Google document linked in the description box below just in case you guys would like to print that off and take it to the store with you. So in this transaction, I did use a digital booster, get $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $60. I also did a small transaction before this transaction just to see if a paper booster would print off for me, but unfortunately it did not. So this is what I got. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the first items, you guys. So right here, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Oral-B Super Floss. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to go ahead and purchase 3, and that's going to bring your total to $9. We do have a 4 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9 minus that $4 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $5. And then when you buy 3, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. I did receive my $5 registry reward right there, as you guys can see. And with receiving that registry reward, it made these floss completely free. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Palmolive dish soap. And this is priced at Walgreens this week for $2.49. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the app, bringing the total down to just $1.49. And then I also purchased 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. These are priced this week at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, and then we also have a $1 paper coupon on the coupons.com website. So that's a total of $2 in coupons. So $5.98 minus the $2 in coupons, that will bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will receive back a $4 registry reward. I received mine right there. And with receiving this $4 registry reward, that will make both toothpaste completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, I want to say that with the Colgate digital coupon, the digital coupon did not come off for me, at least for this kind. I don't know if it's attaching to other Colgate toothpaste priced at $2.99. I didn't scan to see if this toothpaste attached. I should have, but I didn't. So just double check when you go in the store. Make sure you scan the items to see which toothpaste attached to the digital coupon. And then also for the paper $1 coupon that I printed from coupons.com, that one also did not scan for me. So just to let you guys know that. So completely free for both of those plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Fabaluso. This is the 33.8 ounce. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.49. Now, something that I noticed on my receipt, you guys, is I grabbed the Fabaluso. It's saying that I grabbed the Ocean Paradise. This is not even the Ocean Paradise, but I did not grab the Ocean Paradise. This is what I grabbed, and it shows that I grabbed the 20 ounce and it rung up for $2.89, which is completely weird because this is clearly a 33.8 ounce and it is not the Ocean Paradise scent. So I don't know what happened there, but because of that, this rung up for me at $2.89. It should have rung up at $2.49, but it rung up at $2.89, so it rung up 40 cents higher. So I don't know what's the deal with that. But if you can get it for $2.49, we do have a $1 digital coupon making the total just $1.49. So this rung up for me, which is the wrong bottle, it rung up for me for $2.89, but the $1 digital coupon still came off, so it made it $1.89. So make sure you just double check that. Like today when I went into Walgreens, I didn't scan any items. I just knew the items that I was going to get. I should have scanned them because I do that every Sunday. I usually always scan my items, but that is what I get for not scanning the items. So make sure you guys double check that. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased 2 boxes of the Reese's Puffs cereal. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $1.99. I purchased 2, so $1.99 times 2 is $3.98. We do have a 1 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $3.98 minus that $1 digital, that will bring your total down to $2.98 for both boxes, or it'll make each one just $1.49. And then also on the Fetch Rewards app, there is a rebate to where I think when you spend either $10 or $20 on general meal products, you will receive $2 back. So just to let you guys know that. Right now, I think I need to spend about $5 more in order to get that $2, but I just wanted to mention that to you guys. And then next up, I grabbed this Tide liquid priced at $5.49. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to $3.49. I also grabbed the Tide Pods priced at $5.49. We have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to just $3.49. And then I also grabbed some Priscilla laundry detergent, and this is priced at Walgreens for $5.99. We have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to just $3.99. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Continental toilet papers, the 9 = 36. These are priced at Walgreens for $10 each. I purchased 2. So you're going to purchase 2 at $2. That's going to bring at $10. That's going to bring your total to $20. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to just $15 for both, or it'll make each one $7.50. So you guys, again, in this transaction, my $1 digital coupon didn't come off for the Colgate, and then also my $4 digital coupon for the Oral-B did not come off as well. Not sure what's up with those coupons, but they did not come off. And then with my $1 paper coupon, not scanning for the Max Fresh, the cashier did go ahead and type that in for me. So this is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So there are both of the Colgate at $2.99, so $5.98. The Palmolive at $2.49, Priscilla at $5.99. Both of the General Mills cereal at $1.99, so $3.98. All 3 of the Oral-B Floss at $3, so $9 total. Tide liquid $5.49. Tide Pods $5.49. Fabaluso $2.89. Both of the Continental at $10, so $20. My $5 digital came off for the Continental, $2 digital for Tide liquid, $2 digital for Tide Pods, $2 digital for the Priscilla, $1 digital for the Fabaluso, $1 digital for the Palmolive, $1 digital for the General Mills, and then that manufacturer coupon, that is the $1 paper coupon for the Colgate that the cashier typed in. So again, my $4 digital didn't come off for the Oral-B, nor did my $1 digital for the Colgate. Customer service did credit a total of $5 back to my account. So as you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $46.31. And then also I wanted to mention that the total cost for all of this before any coupons came out to be $61.31. So my subtotal is $46.31. I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. And then earned this visit, I earned back $17.57. So again, my total is $46.31. I got back $17.57 in Walgreens cash rewards. $15 came from me spending $60, and then the extra $2.57 is the extra Walgreens everyday points that you get. So $46.31 minus the $17.57 in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $28.74. Then I got back my $5 from customer service for my digital coupons. That brought my total down to $23.74. And then I got back my $5 for the Oral-B and my $4 for the Colgate, totaling $9. So $23.74 minus the $9 in registry rewards. That brought my total down to $14.74. And then I did go ahead and submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got back a total of 279 points, I think, which is 27 cents. So $14.74 minus the 27 cents that I got back from Fetch Rewards. That brought my total down to just $14.47 for all of this. Again, the regular price is $61.31, but I paid just $14.47. There is a total of 14 items right here. So when you divide that $14.47 by 14, it makes each of these items just $1.03. So this was a really good transaction. And the reason why I got these items specifically is because we needed more cereal. I need more more dish soap in general because I'm running a little bit low, simply because I'm selling my bundles. I needed more Tide, and I needed more Priscilla, and then also some Fabaluso. And then it's always good to stock up on paper products. So I grabbed all of the items that I needed today, paid just $14.47. So that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting this week from Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have a link in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, if you're not using IBOTTA, I will also have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.